Hello everybody, it's me again, Garrett teacher, here for another 홉스쿨 reading time. I hope you're sitting down or standing up and ready to listen. To this story is Olivia teacher goes camping. Oh wait, it's not Olivia teacher, it's just Olivia. Yeah, so let's go look at the story. Alright, what do you see? I see two. Yeah, that's right, pigs. Olivia's a pig. Oh, that's nice. And they're going camping. That's so fun. I like camping. And here's her, Olivia, and her friend. This book is by Alex Harvey. Thank you, Alex Harvey. Olivia and her family are going camping. Olivia's best friend, Francine, is going too. Look, there's Francine. What is she wearing? Yeah, she's wearing a pink dress, maybe, or a pink shirt and a plaid skirt. That's nice. Yeah, so this is her family, not my family, her family. And maybe this is the dad, so this is his family, the dad, his family, her family. It's not my family. Francine does not think she likes camping. Oh no, I do not like camping. I will get dirty and wet. She says, camping is fun. Olivia tells her, there are 5 things you must do on a great camping trip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not a great camping trip unless you do these 5 things. Let's see what they are. Oh, look, a baby. Riding in the car, going camping. Riding in the car, going camping. Next page. Number 1. This is the first thing for a good camping trip. Not just a good camping trip, a great camping trip. So, number 1. Watch my dad try to put up the tent. Put up the tent. Put up the tent. He will forget to put in the poles. You need poles, right? Some hard thing, poles in the tent. Otherwise, bloop, it falls down. So the first thing, it's very fun, right? Funny, right? It's funny. Her dad forgets to put in the poles, and the tent will fall down. Oh no! Dad always needs my help, Olivia says. Olivia tells Francine to use the hammer to bang the tent stake into the ground. Boom, 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 boom. Use the hammer, Francine. Use the hammer. Now, the number 2 thing is to climb a mountain. Climb a mountain. Aw, but my foot hurts, Francine says. Oh, do you want to lie down? Olivia asks. Oh, I will get dirty. I will get dirty if I lie down, says Francine. Olivia says that getting dirty is all part of camping. Yeah, when you go outside, it's okay to get dirty because you're You're living outside. So yeah, it's okay. It's part of camping. Getting dirty. It is number 3 on our list. Yeah, we have to get dirty. Number 3, that's a great camping trip. But I don't want to get dirty, Francine says. Francine brought her blanket, pillow, and cot. What is a cot? Cot is a bed that you can fold and unfold. Fold, unfold, fold, unfold. So she can unfold the bed. It's a cot. And Olivia brought her sleeping bag. Number 4 on Olivia's list. Find a really cool bug. Oh yeah, cool bugs. Bzz. Oh, look, a cool bug. Or you can look on the ground to find a cool bug. Ooh, shiny bug. Shiny. Ow! I got bitten by a mosquito. Francine says, Bzz. I got bitten by a mosquito. Ooh, I don't like mosquitoes very much. Olivia says, that doesn't count. She's saying it's not a cool bug. But Francine says, but it itches. Francine says, mud is great for bug bites, Olivia says. Yeah, put some mud on the bug bite. Mud. How does that help? Ew, I am dirty and wet and covered in mud, all over, covered. I'm covered with mud. Francine cries, I need a shower. I need a shower. I'm so dirty. Ah! Ooh, Olivia ties a bag of water to a tree branch. Then she pokes holes in the bag. Poke, poke, poke. Oh. Cool, says Francine. Water spills out like a shower. That's so cool. Very cool. Olivia tells Francine that number 5 on the list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is to find a perfect stick. Really, really good. Perfect. Bing! Perfect stick to roast marshmallows. Here's the campfire. You have a stick with a marshmallow. Bing! Roast. One end of the stick must be sharp, says Olivia, but not too sharp. Ah! Not too sharp. Just a little bit. This stick has too many branches. This one is too long. Too long. And this one is too short. Too short. How about this one? Francine asks. Wow. It looks good. Not too long. Not too short. Perfect. Perfect, says Olivia. You are a great camper, Francine. Aw, I bet she feels really good, right? She feels like part of their family now. They're going camping, and now maybe she's smiling. Maybe she likes camping now. Aw. I really like roasting marshmallows. They're very delicious. All right, and that's the end of this book. But wait, I have 3 questions for you. I will say them slowly. Okay, number 1. Why does Francine, Olivia's best friend, why does Francine think that she does not like camping? Why does she think that? And number 2, how does her mind change? Remember, Olivia did not like camping, but then at the end, she kind of did like camping. How did her mind change? And number 3, if you go camping, what is one thing that will make the camping trip great? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you think of one thing that will make the camping really good? All right. Thank you so much for listening, and see you next time. Bye-bye.